Hey guys, I'm so glad that you're here. Lori from Simply Be Organized, teaching you tips and strategies to grow your own professional organizing business the way that you want. And I do this through opening up my own playbook of having my business for 15 years. And if you're brand new to joining us, just click the subscribe, follow button wherever, and just know that I'm here as a resource to help inspire and empower and motivate other professional organizers or aspiring professional organizers to grow and turn their passion into a profession and a profitable business. And so today we are here to talk about getting clients, right? Because we might love organizing, we might love following other organizers on social media or watching videos or whatever. But now the proof is in the pudding. We have to go out there and actually get clients. So how and where do you begin to even do that? And I have a super simple model that I have, and we can drop that link below. And I call it my sphere of influence. And it is basically a simple model that shows kind of 4 different levels of where your people are, right? In terms of the people that are closest to you, going out to people that you don't even know. And so looking at the innermost circle, we have our friends and family. So those are the people that obviously are closest to you, that you have probably been maybe helping them organize for years for free, right? So they are people that know you, they've been in your home, they see how organized you are. You may have, again, helped them organize their spaces, and they're a great resource to help you get clients because the power of referrals, right? Them just giving you testimonials. And again, we're going to have episodes specifically dedicated to that, but just having them spread the word about how great you are, because there's nothing better than word of mouth referrals. I don't care how big of a budget you have for marketing, word of mouth and trusted referrals. Think about the people that you use in your own life, right? Your kid's pediatrician, the veterinarian, your house painter, an electrician, whatever it is, they're people that you bring into your life, into your world, into your ecosystem, have probably come through some sort of referral, or at least that's the first place you're going to go, right? Before you go out to a Google search, you're going to say, who do I know who do I trust that can give me that referral? So if you are looking to get clients, the very first place you're going to go is looking at those close friends and family, that just telling them what you're doing. And if they are not going to hire you themselves, then maybe them endorsing you to their network of people, right? So that is going to be step 1. Step 2, the next outer layer are what I call your acquaintances, the people that you know in your life. So for me, that would have been when my kids were younger, the people that were my kids played sports with, right? So they're my community members, people that I would see on the regular. They're not my inner circle people, right? They're not the people I call or text on the daily, but they're people that I know and that know me. And so those are a great resource for you. And just bringing up what you do in a very organic way is, and again, this goes back to the whole imposter syndrome thing, is just putting it out there that you offer this services, or that you know of somebody, or just start a conversation. And it doesn't have to be forced, and it doesn't have to be salesy, because I think for so many people, they think, ew, getting clients, I have to be like salesy and fake and cheesy. And that is so far from the truth. So just talking about it and letting people know and coming at it from a place of education. Hey, this is something that I do, because a lot of times people just don't know. And if they knew what you did, they might be an ideal candidate or a client, and they might know somebody that could be. So whether it's them or someone that they know, that's a great resource. So think about, again, those acquaintances, that outer layer of people. And then you have more traditional networking, right? Getting clients, going to networking events. And so that could be anything from a local chamber of commerce meeting to, if you are somewhere in a faith-based community, going to a MOPS group or something at a synagogue or some sort of other event, a women's networking group. where there are other people that are potentially solopreneurs or other entrepreneurs or business leaders that you could just go and mix and mingle. And again, you don't want it to be forced and salesy and cheesy, but you're just looking to connect up with people because people want to hire people that they know, that they like, that they trust. And I can just tell you, just even from my own personal experience, we're in the process of doing a renovation. We bought a vacation home in an area that I don't have a lot of contacts. And our realtor has been a godsend when it comes to referring me to trusted resources, whether it's an HVAC person that I needed, a contractor. I'm just trying to think like anything and everything, a landscaper, like any of the things that I needed for my house. He is the first person that I go to because I trust him. I know him. I believe he has my best interest at heart. And so if he says, oh, you need to hire or you need to talk to this person, I am going to pick up that phone call. And so that removes that whole salesy element. And I already have a great feeling about that person because I know they were endorsed by somebody who I know and trust. And so that's what, when you're going to get clients, is so important, is getting through that first barrier where you don't have to sell your, and I'm air quoting, you're selling your services. You can tell them how you work and what your process is like and all that good stuff. But really just getting out there and finding somebody who you can listen to, less about talking about you and more about listening to what they need to see if you're the right fit for them. And so again, the best way to do that is just starting that conversation. And the way that you can do that is start by talking to your friends and family, talking to your acquaintances, and then going outside. And that will eventually lead you to the people who you don't know. And all of those people, if you just mention it, talk about what you do, surround yourself in situations where there could be that connection point to somebody who is possibly in need of your services, is a great way for you to start. And again, it's all about quality over quantity. And we're going to talk about that in another episode where I'm sitting there talking about why I've always had a mentality of fewer clients is better. Everyone thinks more clients is the way to go. And I actually have a reverse philosophy on that. So again, check out our website, simply the letter B like boy, organize.com for all of our resources. If you want to know how we help professional organizers, there's a link there for a discovery call, link for free checklists, all the things. If you want to learn more about our business mentoring that we do, we offer a cohort twice a year. We also do one-on-one mentoring and coaching. But hopefully this has been useful. And again, click the subscribe or follow button, and we'll be back with another episode. Take care. Bye.